How to change password in Valorant. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change password in Valorant. To start, open your web browser. Now search for Riot Games. Here, click on the first link to open the official website. Click on your account name from the top right corner. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down and you'll see the option of Change Password. First, you need to enter the current password. After that, add New Password. Right below it, confirm this new password. By clicking on Save Changes, your new password will be saved. This is how you can change password in Valorant. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.